don't need to get the organic expensive stuff. This was $10 for all this chicken. I just do the wrapper away. I forgot how many pounds it was, but $10. This is gonna last me the whole week. You take it, and sure, it's gonna have some fat on it. Yes, you could pay more and have the fat trimmed off it. And I used to do that. And man, you're gonna save a lot of money by just getting the kind of cheaper stuff and trimming off the fat yourself. And the fat is the white part on the breast. So all this, and you're not gonna get it perfect, and that's okay. Don't gotta be perfect. I usually just have it on a cutting board by a trash can. Get the fat off the best you can, and I'm gonna just take it and I'm gonna butterfly it just like that. And I usually do some cuts in the chicken too. And we're gonna do the same thing. Get the fat off. Come in and butterfly it. Just like that. Come in with the lines again. There's no specific order I do this in. I don't know how many lines I put. I just put lines in it. And while I'm doing this, if you look over at the oven, we're currently waiting for 450 degrees to be preheated. This is the easiest way I like to do it. I make sure it's cooked. No one's dying. Put in a little extra time and save yourself a lot of money. Or just spend a lot of money and you don't have to do this part. It's already no fat, 100% fat free. So just take some of this, what is this even called? Cling wrap.
Do you want me to get it? You got it.
It's alright.
Okay.
Kitchen mallet. I usually like to use the side with the little indentions. And we're just gonna beat our meat. That looks pretty good. Go like that. I kind of give it one of these. Foil lined cooking tray. This time around we're going with the Sriracha Flavor God. Put it on. Do like a little layer like that. I flip it. And I do another little bit just like that. They can overlap just a little bit, but you don't want it crazy overlapping. And this is just gonna go in the oven for 450 degrees. And I usually like to do 22 minutes. And then we'll come back and look at it when it's done.
I don't like it with any of the clear runny stuff. So you wait for that to turn to a solid white. You wait till it's a solid white, and then you flip them. You can tell now it's getting more solid white. You know, it's not as clear yellowish. And then you know it's not sticking when they move separately like that. And then it's easy to flip them.
Those are some pretty fat yolks. Costco Kirkland eggs, okay.
Once you see like some of this, you see a little bit of the yellow yolk, it should all turn white and then it'll be done. Okay, we could probably turn the heat off and, you know, let it finish cooking like that, and it'll be fine by the time we take it off. So my eggs are done. So this is white rice and corned beef hash.
Secret sazon.
Just for that extra flavoring in there. Essentially that's it, and I get what Hachi does.
Boom. Alright, so 22 minutes is up. And I'm just gonna take her out. Lay her right on top here. Basically the thickest part, the biggest piece of chicken. See, right there. It's white and juicy. So what I like to do is have a little rack, because it is draining a little bit. And I'll take the chicken Just kind of let it drain out a little bit. And I'm gonna cut it up and then Tupperware it up. And when the chicken's dried out just a little bit, it's still gonna be nice and moist. Just place a couple pieces, cut it up, and put it in the Tupperware. And just like that, we're all Tupperwared up, ready to go for the week. Yeah, I made a video. It's done now. You want to be the exit?